The Institute of Financial Analysts of India, University Meghalaya, had launched 2 new academic programs that include Masters in Khasi and Masters in Social Work. The Meghalaya MP of the Rajya Sabha, Dr. W R Kharlukhi, graced the occasion as chief guest in the presence of the MLA of South Shillong Constituency and guest of honour Dr. Mazel Ampareen Lyngdoh, the Vice Chancellor of ICFAI University Meghalaya, Dr. Alicia Gatphoh, faculty members, students of the university besides others. While addressing the gathering, W R Kharlukhi urged upon the students to not stop with only research work, but to continue with the publication of their work in order to contribute towards enrichment of the Khasi language. On the new academic program on MSW, Kharlukhi said that after completion of their course, students must contribute to society so that it benefits from their research.
So the only thing is, I would request students through your research, let the world know that here is civilization. And you know, in one of the seminar in Simla in 1972, you know that our existence here date way back to 3rd century BC. You can just imagine. So this is a thing. And well, once again, before I show my seat, again, I will request the students who are doing their master in Khasi that your goal is not only to complete your master, but do your research, so that, you know, there are a lot of scope in research in these areas of ours. There's a lot of scope. So we can have many publications, and that might also be of help to get our language recognized, both Khasi and Garo language.